Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pherl TV. So today's video, we're going to cook luncheon meat guys, okay? So I'm going to dip it here, okay? Because tinatamad ako. I found myself lazy in cooking. So I think I have to do this, okay? This frying pan already has a canola oil, okay? So I gotta add this. Okay. Already has a canola oil. So very cute, right? So this is just a manner of cooking. Like that. Very simple, okay? Look. So easy to cook. This is just a one-piece egg. This is Shasha's favorite fast food. um Viand, okay? Shasha will be very happy whenever she knows that what I'm cooking is luncheon meat. So that is this is Pure Foods luncheon meat, guys. Pure Foods luncheon meat. Pork. This is tasty. We have tested, we have tried this in the morning. Okay. Just, yeah, the best way is to put egg in order for the luncheon meat to be, mm, this will be our dinner because Tatay will accordingly be having his lunch with his office mate, okay? And very easy lang, guys. Diba? So easy. Okay? So very easy manner of cooking, guys. I hope you will give a try to this very simple way of cooking whenever you're also lazy, okay? Bye.